You bought a Eurail pass, and you finally made it to Europe. Now what? Time to activate your pass. But how? Don't worry, that's easy. But first, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Activate your pass before first use. You must officially activate your rail pass in person at a European train station for it to be valid for train travel, with one exception, the single country Swiss travel pass, which comes pre-validated with your chosen start date. Your pass comes printed with an issue date, usually the date you bought it, and in most cases must be activated within 11 months, but some like this one must be activated in 6 months. Best to check the fine print before purchasing. For example, if February 5th is stamped on your rail pass as the issue date, you must start the pass by August 5th. Pro tip: never ever write anything on your rail pass before it's been activated. You may accidentally void your pass. And make sure to keep the pass stapled in its cover. The cover is actually part of the pass. Otherwise, the pass will not be valid. To activate your pass, you must present your rail pass and passport at any European train station. It doesn't matter if it's a big station or a small station. It just needs to be a station located in Europe. Take your pass and passport to a railway official at the ticket or information window. The ticket agent, not you, writes in your passport number and the first and last dates of your travel period and stamps the activation box on the far right. For example, a 2-month validity period starting April 23rd will end at midnight on June 22nd. Agents will assume that you intend to use the pass on the same day you are presenting it, so if you're activating a few days beforehand, write your desired dates, European style, on a slip of paper to show the agent before handing over the pass. All trips on the pass must start and finish within the valid life of your rail pass. If you have a group pass, a saver pass, all group members must be present when the rail pass is activated. Pro tip: you may activate your rail pass before arriving in the first country it covers. Let's say you are in Copenhagen with a German rail pass. You're heading to Berlin and you want the German portion of your route to be covered by your rail pass. At the Copenhagen station, buy a ticket to the German border and have the agent activate your rail pass at the same time. With a continuous rail pass, nobody counts how many days you travel during a validated period, but if you're using a FlexiPass, you'll have to fill in your travel days as you go. On your FlexiPass, you'll see a string of blank boxes, one for each travel day available to you. Either just before or after boarding, fill in the day's date in ink in one of the blank boxes on your pass before the conductor reaches you. Don't fill out the dates any farther in advance in case your plans change. Note that a travel day is a calendar day, running from midnight to midnight. You can take as many trips as you like within each travel day that you've marked on your pass. A nice bonus is the 7 p.m. rule for night trains. A direct overnight train uses up only one FlexiPass travel day, not 2, as long as you board after 7 p.m. and don't change trains before 4 a.m. You just write the arrival date on your FlexiPass. Show your pass if asked. After the train starts, the conductor heads down the aisle asking for tickets and passes and checking that they are dated correctly. You may be asked to present your passport too. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share so you will not miss out on other videos.